in the last 12 months. We made $46,000 from our YouTube channel, Mathers on the Map. Woo! And I was gonna wait till the end of the video to share that with you guys, but I figured, what the hell? Now, $46,000 is a nice chunk of money, especially to make off YouTube, so I'm pretty proud of it. But it still doesn't match the amount of money that I've made in corporate America, and this is not solely from YouTube AdSense. Rather, this is broken down into 7 different buckets that are across the company Mathers on the Map. Last year I created a similar video to this, sharing our YouTube ad revenue since the beginning of our channel back in 2019 and the yearly progression year over year. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. But for this video, we're going to mainly focus on 2023. Actually, I lied. I just looked at the video from last year and we made roughly $30,000 with Mathers on the Map. So we increased our revenue by 50%, which is freaking awesome. Anyway, just picked up my snowboards for our upcoming snowboard trip. But we published 56 long form videos on the channel, which included mostly the van build series 2.0, building out this van right here. But then we also moved into a new house, had a baby, and took 2 big trips. This first shakedown trip in this van was to Atlantic Canada, Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, PEI, and New Brunswick. And then we wrapped up the year with a little Christmas markets in Europe, which was fantastic. What's up, Dad?
Hey, what's up, Kev? How you doing?
Thanks again, I appreciate it.
My pleasure, man. Anytime, man.
Have a good day.
You too, pal. Love you.
Take
care.
So we made roughly $15,900 from YouTube AdSense alone, which is our best year yet. The beauty with YouTube is that videos can be evergreen, meaning they can continue to grow over years and years. So as you upload more videos to the platform and your channel starts to grow, the hope is that viewers will start to watch your previous content, increasing the views across the channel as a whole, ultimately increasing your YouTube ad revenue. So views are technically the most important thing when it comes to YouTube ad revenue, not really subscribers or any other metric. I love you, buddy.
Yeah, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, buddy. Love you.
Love you.
Miss you.
Miss you already.
Can't forget this.
Can't forget that.
Can't forget this, bud.
He's like, that's my toy.
Gotta stay hydrated. Bye-bye. Always the hardest part. Saying bye sucks. Especially now with Wyatt and Taylor. Just, it's not easy. Our top 4 performing videos of 2023 was our 12-volt air conditioner, which got over 300,000 views, and that's the same air conditioner that we have on the roof of our van. The next one was modifying the Starlink to 12 volt and flat mount so it can be mounted permanently on the roof while we're driving, which is really nice. And then our third video was a travel episode to St. Martin in the Caribbean. So we toured the entire island in 3 days and shared what to do there. And then our fourth video was Holofly's eSIM. We showed how to use Holofly's eSIM. They're a big partner of our channel. And between those 4 videos, we have over 600,000 views. But it's crazy how just one video can make such a big impact on your channel and also bring in more sources of income, like affiliate income, which is the next income bucket of Mathers on the Map.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask you that you please step out of the aisle so the passengers behind you can...
Since this year was primarily a van build year, we made a good chunk of our income from affiliate sales. For example, if you watched our electrical video and you wanted to buy the components that we have in our van using our links in the description, we get a small commission from that order at no cost to you, which is a really great way to support creators, and we really, really appreciate it.
So back in 2023, we made $16,800 from brand affiliates. In addition to brand affiliates, we're also a part of Amazon's affiliate program, so we're able to make review style videos with their influencer program, and then also when we add Amazon affiliate links to the description of our YouTube videos, we get affiliates on Amazon purchases as well. And this equated to roughly $6,500 in revenue for Amazon affiliate income. All right, the boys are back. The next income bucket though is brand partnerships. Let's go. I'm sure most of you are familiar with brand sponsorships, but if not, basically when someone says this video is sponsored by X company. Good? Yep. Holy shit. Get me out of here ASAP. Moguls are no fun. Oh man, this is tough. See me roll? I saw you roll, I didn't get it. I wish I did. Right under the lift line too. Yeah. Right under the lift.
Nobody said anything, I don't think.
Yeah, I feel like no one else wants to do this run, so they're not making fun of anyone. I'm not sure if you can tell how big these things are. It's insane. Got that one. So anyway, we had a good amount of sponsorships last year. And we made roughly $6,200, I believe. I think $6,250, and that included YouTube sponsorships and on Instagram as well. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, consider checking us out there because you get more real-time updates over on the gram. Yeah, there's a log there. Last run of the day here. Let's go. 2 more skip the last. Yep. We found a really good stash here. Powder in here. Holy smokes. Woo! That's awesome. So the next income bucket for Matters on the Map is our Patreon group. Where you at, over? I just had to strap in.
Well, trip is officially over. We made it to the airport. Denver is a gong show. It is not a good airport to fly out of. It is currently 2:55 a.m. and I am on my way to the rental car, hopefully.
Please hold on. Train is moving.
No way.
The next stop is
Okay, finally home. So the next income bracket that I was trying to discuss on the mountain was our Patreon. So from Patreon, we earned roughly $503 last year. And to all our Patreons, thank you so much for the support. It means the world to us, honestly. If you're not familiar with Patreon, it's just a way for viewers to support the creators for exclusive content and real-time updates. We shared Wyatt and the news that we were pregnant with our Patreons first before anyone else. And we typically give our updates to our Patreons before anyone else as well. There's also exclusive content like our overnight camping map for our new van. So our old van's on our email newsletter, but all the new updates will be on Patreon and that'll be exclusive there. And we also have our itineraries. So Taylor makes awesome itineraries for every trip that we go on. We share them with you guys, and then travel hacking videos. So if you're interested in our Patreon, I'll leave a description in the link below. And again, thank you so much for all of our Patreons. You guys are awesome. The last two final income brackets for Mathers on the Map are Facebook monetization, which we just recently got monetized in the middle of 2023, I believe. So we're gonna make that a goal of 2024 to really bump that up and start publishing a lot more to Facebook. But in 2023, we made roughly $282. And the last bucket is our merch store. So we have an online store at mathersonthemap.com where you can get Mathers on the Map merch. And we don't really promote it that much, so we're not expecting a huge revenue source from this. And we only made like $44 this year in 2023. So in total, we made roughly $46,000 from Mathers on the Map, and that's gross revenue, gross income, not net income. We have a lot of expenses, so this number unfortunately goes down drastically. We just finished the van build, which was very expensive. We created a van build tour with a cost breakdown, so if you're curious what our van cost, you can check that out and realize that this $46,000, a lot of the money goes to either travel expenses, van build expenses, or just keeping us afloat. So it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There's a lot of work underneath the surface there, but I hope this is motivating to someone looking to create a channel of their own, or if you're just curious of what the world of YouTube looks like, this is kind of a example of our use case, I guess. Anyway, if you have any questions or you like this video, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll do this again next year. I'm hoping that our growth continues. So there will be a point, I guess, if we start making a lot of money, then I don't know how comfortable I'll be with sharing this stuff, but I do like to be transparent with you guys. I think it's fun. If I was just starting out, I would love to see one of these videos. So that's why I'm doing it. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. We will see you on the next road trip. We're taking the van down to Mexico. It's gonna be Wyatt's 5th country, I think, if you include the US, so pretty good. Anyway, thanks guys. We'll see you soon.